Today we are making a lazy cat cake by Ahmed Al Zamel. Let's check out the ingredients.
Cake so sweet and nice with sugar, flour, and a little spice. Mix it up
Add
and
2
bake it
tablespoons
right.
of cream.
Cake, such a delight. Cake, yummy treat.
2 tablespoons of cream cheese.
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry cake.
And condensed milk 3 tablespoons. Give it a good whisk till it gets a creamy texture and gets thick. Here I am using an electric whisk, but you can beat it with an egg beater. Add some whipping cream and whisk it again. Believe me, the egg beater will give a very creamy texture. Cut some cake slices into small pieces and put them in a tray and make a good layer. Cover the tray with the cake slices and don't leave any space behind.
Frosting on top, creamy and smooth. A slice of cake puts us in the groove. Birthday parties are just for fun. Cake for everyone. Cake, yummy treat. Soft and
Soak the
fluffy,
cake with chocolate milk.
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry cake. Cake makes us merry. Sprinkles, cherries, and a candlelight. Cake, every bite's just right. Share with friends, make a wish.
Now pour the cream mixture gently and cover the whole layer.
Cake, yummy treat. Soft and fluffy, can't be beat. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry cake. Cake makes us merry.
Put it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a chocolate ganache by adding some chocolate chips and whipped cream and melt it. You can use a double boiler method or you can do it like that. Pour the chocolate ganache and cover the whole layer gently. And then put it in a refrigerator for 15 minutes. Take some chocolate balls and add them into the melted chocolate and then add the cocoa powder and give it a good mix. This is going to be a final layer of a cake. Cover the chocolate and cream mixture with the chocolate balls. And the cake is ready. Ta-da! Time for tasting. Thank you for watching. Bye.